Hi, it's Technology Laura, and today I want to talk about TextBlaze. So, the first thing that you would do is go to your Chrome store and you want to download TextBlaze as your Chrome extension, and then it's going to populate on the far right hand corner of your screen. And so, how I use TextBlaze are these snippets for productivity with my emails to the parents of my students as well as my students when I'm giving them feedback. So, let's get started. First, I click on the icon. And as you can see, I have a couple snippets on there, the demo snippet. So for the grading snippet, as you can see, like it gives me a template for a rubric. For a missing assignment, I really like this one because again, I can just put my student's name right there, the assignment name, when it's due. Another really important feature of TextBlaze is that it saves you time. So instead of having to type the same exact email every single week to the parents, I can just insert this snippet into the email. So I would go into my email and then I would just put backslash weekly communication, and then so you go, there it is. So I really like this because it just saves me time, and as an educator, that is so important. So I hope you like it and try it out. Thanks for watching.